Okay, quick little update. So I've got that 70% full. This is how water is going to get to it. So into the sieve, out of the sieve, into here, where I'm going to pump out into there. I got a shut-off valve for the clean out, so if the power ever goes out, instead of the water backfeeding, it'll hit this check valve and stop, so it doesn't overflow in my pit back here, because I'm figuring that's 250 gallons, but it's probably only about 75 gallons of actual water because of the rock displacement. Either way, 75 gallons would, however many gallons it is, would make a huge mess in my sump pit down here. So I put the check valve. Then I have this, so if I want to do a clean out, boom, I close this valve, and then I open this valve, and then it isolates this system so that the water gravity will push this back out, and then I'm going to hook a hose to this, and then I can just jettison it off, you know, to water the grass. So that's where we're at. And of course, it's gonna rain. It's supposed to be thunderstorms. I had it all dried out today, and it got worse. It's even doing it over there now. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't tell, but there's muddy water in there. Anyways, that's where I'm at. Till the next video, I'm out.